The notice board. There is a notice on the building's community board about the elevator being repaired next month. Olivia and Daniel both stopped to read it at the same time.
Oh, a notice.
What does it say?
Elevator repair. Next month.
Finally.
I know, right?
It has been broken for so long.
When exactly?
Let me see. November 12th to 15th.
4 days. That's not bad.
They say use the stairs.
I don't mind stairs.
Me neither. Good exercise.
Which floor do you live on?
5.
Same. We're on the same floor.
Of course. 2 doors down.
Huh. Right. I forgot.
5 flights of stairs. Every day.
It builds character.
That's one way to look at it.
Is there anything else on the board?
Let me look. A lost cat.
Poor cat.
Orange and white. Very fluffy.
I haven't seen it.
Me neither. I hope they find it.
There's a phone number. If we see it.
I'll take a photo.
Good idea.
Anything else?
Building meeting. Saturday.
Oh no.
You don't like building meetings?
They take so long.
What do they talk about?
Everything. Parking, noise, the elevator.
That sounds important, though.
It is, but 2 hours long.
I'll bring coffee.
Smart man.
Are you going to go?
I always go. It's important.
Should I go too? As a new resident?
Yes, they like to see new faces.
Okay. Saturday then.
Bring coffee. For 2.
Deal.
I'll see you there.
Hey, can I ask you something?
Sure.
What is the manager's name?
Mr. Chen. He's been here 20 years.
20 years?
He knows everything about this building.
I should introduce myself.
He'll like that. He appreciates good manners.
Got it. Any other tips?
Don't park in spot number 7.
Why not?
That's Mrs. Kim's spot. She will know.
I'll remember that.
Good. Okay, I have to go draw.
Go. Don't let me stop you.
Saturday. Coffee for 2.
I'll remember.